Hello, everybody. Now, oh, you can read these things, right? Right here. Just a few. Okay, now, the first one. P, in, together, pin, fin, pen, ton, kit, pet. Wow, great. Okay, what about this? Okay, duck, cut, land, zan, van, ham. Now I'm gonna add magic letter. Oh, E at the end. Okay, so wait a minute. Okay, right here. It was pin. Now I put this one. Then, oh, do not sound this one, okay? Don't make sound right here. This one we call the silent. Then, instead of pin, we just make this one long vowel, long sound. That's it. Okay, we're going to study about long sound. So, instead of pin, we read pine, pine, like an I. That's it. Okay, what about this one? Oh, same thing. Okay, E at the end, we don't sound this one, okay? Now, so it was a fin. Now, with the E, it's a fine, fine. See? Long vowel, long sound. What about this? So E, ooh. Then instead of pen, so we read this one, pain, like an A. Say pain. What about this? Ton. Now, tone. You got to read this one, long sound, tone. Okay. What about this? E. So instead of kit, now kite, kite. Oh, like I. What about this? It was a pet. Now, oh, that's right. This, what is the name of this one? E, right? So, Pete, Pete. Okay, what about this? That's now, E. So, long vowel, right? Long sound. U. Okay, that's it. Duke. Okay, that's it. Duke, Duke. What about cut? Now, E, O. So that's U, right? U. So cute, not cut. Cute. What about land? Land. Now, E there. Lane. You make the sense, right? See? Easy. Now, what about zan? Now, E. Zone. Zone. What about when? Now, E there, Wayne, Wayne. What about this? E, no more E. So now this one, him, him. See, long sound. But not always, but I can say almost always, okay? If you have E at the end, or any silent, okay? Then silent, then we gotta have this one, long vowel, see? Long sound. That's it.